Priyanka Singh, and in today's lecture video we are going to cover sympathomimetic agents. Sympathomimetic agents. In here we have to study what is the meaning. So we are going to start with the definition first, then moving on to the classification of sympathomimetic agents, and then lastly their structures of the agents or the drugs with their IUPAC, uses, formulation, brand name, etc. So first we are going to start with the definition. What is the meaning of sympathomimetic agents? These are the agents which increase the sympathetic action in our body. That means sympathetic action means just like in fear or in shock or in any other emergency category, there is a slight change in our body, as in the blood pressure, the blood flow, the heartbeat, etc. So that particular change is the sympathetic action in our body, which is for a moment, but it happens. So sympathetic action is the action that occurs either in shock or in fear or in emergency in our body. Just like, for example, increased respiration. When we are in very hurry or shock, then we notice the increase in our respiration, inspiration and expiration. So increased respiration. Then secondly, increased heart rate, as our heartbeat is increased when we are in shock or in hurry or even in fear. So increased heart rate. Then thirdly is increased blood flow. Our blood flow increases due to increase in the blood pressure. So if the blood pressure is high, then the blood flow in our body will be higher as compared to the normal state. Now this is another action might be mydriasis. Mydriasis, this word is a new keyword. Mydriasis means dilation of eyes. When we are in shock or fear, then automatically our eyes, our pupil gets dilated, gets relaxed and dilated. The increment of the eyes for a particular time, that is called mydriasis, dilation of eyes. The opposite word for dilation of eyes is miosis or meiosis. The meaning of meiosis is contraction of eyes. But here we have to learn that sympathetic action causes mydriasis of eyes, that is dilation of eyes. So these were the few actions, few examples that occurs automatically when we are in fear, shock or in stress or in emergency. So increased respiration, increased heart rate, blood flow is increased or mydriasis. So these are the particular actions. Now moving on to the classification of such drugs which are useful in producing this action. The classification of sympathomimetic agents is as follows. It can be divided into three classes. First is the such agents which can be given directly or injected or orally we can administer it, and it can give the direct action to sympathetic action as similar action to the sympathetic. If our body is unable to produce the following actions, then we have to intake drugs orally from outside. So such actions are given by the direct acting agents. The agents, the drugs which can act directly to give that particular action. For example, so there are three categories. The drugs which can be divided into direct acting, another is indirect acting, and third one is in our body is dopamine, then terbutalin, salbutamol, epinephrine, norepinephrine. So these are the kind of drugs which can give direct acting in our body. Now coming to mixed acting drugs. What are the drugs which can give mixed acting? Mixed acting means direct and indirect both. If we cannot approach to the direct acting, then we need a drug which can go indirectly in our body to give the particular action. So we have mixed acting drugs which can include ephedrine, another one is methimazole, Now third one is the indirect acting. So here we have hydroxyamphetamine. So this is a basic classification in which sympathomimetic agent can be divided. Direct, mixed and indirect acting. I repeat, dopamine, terbutalin, salbutamol, norepinephrine and epinephrine. Then in mixed acting, metramidol, ephedrine. And in indirect acting we have hydroxyamphetamine. Now let's come back to the structure of particular drugs. Here we are going to discuss the structure of dopamine, structure of norepinephrine. So that will start with the next video.